Hey, guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle cassette in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle cassettes to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is SRAM XDR. Specifications. Brand name, SRAM. Model number, XDR. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 28 to 44. Freewheel speed, 12. Number 4 is Sunshine 12-speed XDR cassette. Specifications. Model number, 12-speed XDR cassette. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 2834T. Freewheel speed, 12. As the item number 3 we've selected, goldxdr. Specifications. Brand name, Goldx. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, aluminum. Gear teeth, 2834T. Components, Freewheel. Color, silver. Cassette speed, 12 speed. Number 2 is SRAM Rival 1250 cassette. Specifications. Brand name, SRAM. Model number, 1250 to 1251. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 1218T. Freewheel speed, 10. Components, Freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have RERO Road by Ultralight Cassette. Specifications. Brand name, RERO. Model number, RERO CBR. Material, alloy. Gear teeth, 2834T. Freewheel speed, 11.